Hi, I'm Munch, and I'm here to tell you a story. For nap time, it's about patience. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a little seed. The little seed was so excited to grow and become a big, strong tree. But it had to be patient and wait for the right conditions to grow. At first, the seed felt a bit frustrated. It looked around and saw all the other plants growing, strong, tall, but it was still tiny little seed. But the seed remembered that good things come to those who wait. So the little seed nestled into the soil, feeling the sun, the rain, and the wind. It waited and waited, trusting that one day it will grow into a beautiful tree. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. The seed continued to wait, feeling its tiny roots growing stronger, deeper into the earth. Finally, after a long time, the seed began to sprout. It felt a bit of little bud form and grow into a small shoot. The shoot grew taller and taller, reaching up to the sun, towards the sun. As the weeks went by, the shoot grew more and more leaves until it became a strong sapling. The sapling grew into a tall tree with strong branches and deep roots. The little seed realized that all that waiting was all worth it. It had become a beautiful tree, providing shade, shelter to all the creatures around it. And it was proud of itself for being patient and trusting the process. Thank you guys for listening to my nap time story. Me, myself, I'm tired. You take nap now, 'cause I will. Bye-bye.